So yes guys, it's a Trinidad Spearfishing and adventure. Right now we in Pier 1 right now. We're going on board the boat there. We're gonna make some dive. You know, see what's the hole for we. And more fish pass we way. So stay tuned guys for another one. Yeah. So all these people that enjoy my videos and stuff, you know, leave a nice little comment. Please subscribe, like, share. Help us grow so I'll go see more video. So yeah, I set it. So yeah guys, we outside here.
Go down right here. Go around here. I'll show you gonna get something right there.
Watch the boat coming right there. The boat coming. The boat coming. Watch the boat coming there. Wait on the boat. What's going on here? Nice morning earlier. What's going on? Yes, and it's that. Gonna be nice. Stay tuned earlier. Stay tuned. Reach on location. My boy down in the water already. And we going down there now. So yeah, meet we under the water. Hey guys. My boy going out there. Charles on outside already. My turn to stay in the boat. So let's rock back and wait. We bring it from out there. Bring a bar. We go cook a bar later. Yeah guys, stay tuned. We outside. I'm on inside eh. Go on there. There's everything. Venezuela right there. Yeah. We just relax it.
White here.
White. It's my turn to captain the boat. Stay in the boat, make sure pick up the fellas when they finish. So yeah guys, I hope you're enjoying this video so far. You really catch nothing much in that first spot, so in the second spot here guys. Please stop watching the video, go and hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, you know. So let's go see more now. Yeah, more video. Well, that'll help me out. Subscribe. If everyone watches video, subscribe. I'll be real thankful. And plus, just now doing a giveaway together with Timothy Ramai and Sea Life Marine. We're gonna do a giveaway, so all you like and share and subscribe and touch our notification bell, so they're gonna know when that giveaway going on take place very soon guys. So yeah, this is me here. This is me. Let's rock back. Waiting on them guys. Yeah. So yeah, stay tuned guys. I have to go and send out the boat a little more. So they're going to think the rocks now, so stay tuned guys for that. So yeah, guys, we're still here waiting. So that's on there. And you're alone here outside the boat here, boring. Relax. Yeah guys. So yeah, stay tuned. In your bag? Alright. Come on, wave now. Shut the fish. Come on, wave now. Yeah, guys, that's the current situation. Yeah. This is the catch. Water dirty and stay water stink. That's really cool, huh? That is how the cool are looking so far. Next one coming in here. Let's see what's this guy. Yeah. Whoa! Just so that God, what you said? Hey. What's that?
Everything is big, I see. And the brake pang I'm trying to run down in between what I'm rocking.
Yeah.
So, before you kill my ass, here I go for
Check out that, you redeem yourself there. But lal, why you redeem yourself there, boy?
When I see
Guys, catch nothing much. Nothing much.
Yeah? You like that? Pressure.
Yeah, seatbelt I thought I was seatbelt in the bucket. For my life. Yeah, you can check.
can't talk to you. Budlal, you can't talk to the man now, you say, right? What kind of fish is that? A tanti wani. So yeah guys, reach back here. There's the tanti nani inside there.
Yeah guys,
We
yeah.
have Captain Charles with me there. Water nasty, what we gonna do? We still have something to eat. Yeah. One man can't stop his Trinidad spear fishing. Oh, yeah guys, reach back on the boat. Yeah, it was a nice 2 hours. Nothing big, but the water is real nasty. What we gonna do? Yeah, do nothing much. Is the front of the boat here? Huh? We don't like the government throw some oil or something in the water. It's nasty. Alright. Keep good guys. I hope you like, share, comment and subscribe. Remember I told you, yeah, we having giveaways coming up and things, so I'll subscribe and things. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this one. Hey guys, this is the boat here, Charles. That's all, yeah. Okay, from Australia. Go for the first. Hey guys, I said it. Wonderful day. Just we get bad water. That is all like small thing. You can't get everything one time, we can't get good weather and clean water at the same time, you know. When you get it, you take it. Yeah.